What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today you guys have suggested me that I should upload a video on how you can sell your graphic designs onto the internet. So graphic design is a service that you can provide to the people. The thing that you will need is a platform where you can actually sell it. Just like Walmart stores where you can get all kinds of products and people just can go there and buy those things. Now you just have to find your store that works for you. There is so much that you can do with designing and graphic designing than just banners and posters, and you have to explore everything and what you enjoy doing more. In this video, I'll be teaching you about some of the best websites that will provide you a platform where you can actually sell your graphic designs. Some of these websites might work for you and some of them might not, but you should check out all of them as they exist. These websites are used by graphic designers all around the world and they should work for you as well. So let's get started to the video, and I'm gonna be starting this with some of the best websites are available over here, and you can always check out on Google where you can work and we can sell designs as you would do on your own. So before I start to this video, I just want to thank you for all the support you guys are giving to this channel, and there is a lot coming up onto this channel as you grow more. So be sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that like button if you like this video. Without any more wasting time now, let's get started to this video and let's just roll the intro. So the first website is going to be Creative Market. In this website, you get a direct option to open your shop and plenty of options to work with. Like you can create photos, you can create graphic design, you can create templates, web themes, UIs, fonts, and much more. As your products, you can create a bundle of packs and you can sell them, like you can price them onto this website and people will come up and buy your product. For example, you can create a banner pack or an abstract pack or a background pack for 20 pieces, and you can sell them in a bundle to someone who can buy it and price them like $2 to $5, $10 as you like. So just spend some time on this website. You can go check out, as you can see on the screen, you can check out their creative terms and conditions and how you can set up your account and shop. Everything is available over here. Also, you can search everything about this website onto YouTube as well. They have a plan and videos that I've saw for Creative Market. So just go do your own research, and this is one of the best website, and people have actually worked and earned money through this website, and this is a great place where you can actually put your shop, put your work and sell it and make some good money. Now let's move on to the next website that we have. Now the second website that is going to be Graphic River. Graphic River is also a very neat and clean website and platform to place and sell your products onto this website. There are all kinds of graphic design features and art categories as you can see on the screen. Just sign up and set up your product for sale, priced by you, and you can also market these products on the separate websites, like when you can share links from this website to your social medias and market them there. The advantage that is going to be having is like you can get a trust from a very good website. You can make people buy your product with the trust of this website, so that you can have a very good conversation, a very good transaction and negotiation just because of you're using a very good website to sell your product. So definitely check out this website. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you research and do your own research onto this website, that how you can set up your shop and what are the advantages and disadvantages and everything. There are multiple videos available for this Graphic River onto YouTube as well. You can also search for how people are earning money onto this website, so definitely go through all that. And I think from my side, this website is also a great option to put your graphic design stuff for sale. Now let's move on to the next website and what it got for us. Now the third website is going to be Redbubble. Now Redbubble is also another platform that gives you full ability to upload and monetize your graphic design work. This website really puts together buyer and creative community all together, just like all the websites in this list. You can upload logos, backgrounds, mockups, vectors, clip arts and much more and sell it as less as for $1 and as much as like $500+ for your graphic design pack. You can upload bulks of designs also that you can price as you like Instagram cruisers, maybe banner pack, like maybe Instagram posts and everything that you can come up with. definitely give it a try. As you can see, this website looks good. There are multiple people already using this website to buy and upload their graphic designs. So be sure you be the part of it and actually try it by yourself. This website has been available for so long, and I think it's really good website also among all the website, and you should check out this website as well. The link will be in the description below as for all the links of this websites. So do check them out after you finish this video. The fourth spot goes to freepik.com. This is another very popular design websites, and this is one of my favorite graphic design resources websites that I have already talked about onto this channel. This website gives you direct option to join this website as a creator, and you can actually upload your work to sell it onto this website. Freepik.com works a little differently from the rest of the websites available onto this list. The best thing is that so many people got a premium membership for this website, so whenever they buy your product or your designs, you will actually get paid by this website itself. And the best thing is there are so many people who got this website, and the popularity of this website actually helps getting more clients, and people will buy more of your designs, see your more designs, and whenever they buy, like 4 people buy your designs, 4 times you will get paid for that design itself. So the more people buy it, the more money that it will make, and freepik.com will provide you that money through direct transactions to your accounts. It depends on how your products are and how much people are buying it, how much trending it is, and that's all it depends on, and how much money you can make. So this is another very different and a very cool website. This is like one-time investment and all-time income for your designs. So definitely check this out. This website is actually very popular, and I really like this website. This is one of my favorite websites, as I said before. So this is a very nice way to monetize your graphic design work and actually show it to the people onto this website. Be sure you check out all the design related things that I've suggested over here, and you can actually check out their YouTube videos as well. As you can see on the screen, you will know everything about how you can market or design or upload your work onto this website. As you can see, I have created my own account as well, and I'm going to be also uploading things over here from my side. So be sure you check out this website as well, and this will be freepik.com. The last but definitely not the least, we've got social media. Yep, you heard me correct. Social medias like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and etc. are one of the best platforms to monetize your work. Features like Instagram Shop and business profiles are advantages that you can use to sell your designs to other people around the world. Just because of the audience available onto these platforms, you can actually sell some good amount of graphic designs onto this and market your designs in a best way. Like some of the people I follow on Instagram and on LinkedIn, they are making some good money by just marketing their website and their designs in the right way. You'll just need a right way that how you can actually put your work, and you will actually make good money on Instagram and on LinkedIn especially. There are certain things that you have to do right now, like set up your account to business account and business profile, post your best graphic work onto your social media post, work on how people can buy it from you, connect and follow people that could be your potential customers, and grow your connections in the graphic designer community. Believe me, my first client was from my Instagram account, and I did my first client work just using social media. These things are growing faster than ever right now, and I think this is the right time to monetize your graphic design work onto these platforms as they are growing faster than ever. The best part is the amount of audience present onto the social medias is insane. Like there are so many graphic designer posts and so many people who are actually selling their posts and graphic design services to all the people who are needing them actually. Like there are so many brands available on social medias, and you can just ask them, you can just share them what you actually do, and maybe they can provide you some actually paid work that you can actually hire you for their graphic design work. So this is a great ecosystem that you can create for yourself, and it's been like over there, you just have to go and get your best clients out of social media accounts only. But there is something that you should consider before signing up into any of this website. The first thing is going to be terms and conditions. Your content should obey all the terms and conditions of copyrighted issues, and material used in your design should be attributed to you. So there is no issue to commercial use of your designs. So the second thing is going to be upload your designs into highest quality possible, along with the project files and details on how your buyer or how your customer can use your designs wherever they want to use it. The third thing is going to be use related hashtags and make sure you upload your designs in the best way possible onto this website. So when people search for you, you can get the best results, you can get into best results and people will buy your work. The fourth thing that is going to be, don't pay any features or don't pay any money for any special features available onto this website until you are very sure that they will benefit you. So do it for free, then once you get the heck of it, you can do and invest some more money to get the best results into your sales of your designs. And this is the video, guys. I hope this video will help you to get your potential clients and actually increase your graphic design sale. If there are any problem, you can ask me in the comments below and suggest me what you actually would want to see into the future videos. I will keep on coming with great content onto this channel and will actually help you with growing with your graphic design as a graphic designer or as a digital marketer in itself. And that's all for today. I will catch you guys in my next one.